Guys, please confirm to me. I have to get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Right, sir. And what we completed, guys, now check it in the last session. I think so. We are discussing about steps to prepare Java application. Steps to prepare first Java application. That part we are discussing, where we shown already download and install Java software. Then we are understanding about download and install Java editor. Download and install Java editor. This part here we are discussing, guys. Download and install Java editor. Okay, that's okay, fine. So now here, what is an editor? Editor part here we started already. What is an editor? Editor is a software. It will provide very good environment to write or edit Java programs and to save Java programs in our computer. All right, sir. Example is like what on Notepad, Edit Plus, and Notepad Plus Plus. Note: editors are suggestible up to learning process. Editors are not suggestible for real-time application development, where IDs are suggestible. What is that ID actually? Integrated development environment, Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA, or NetBeans, and so on. So many IDs are existed. Right, sir. What exactly the editors we are going to use there in our classes? No, Notepad++ we are going to use mainly. I'm going to use Notepad++ mainly, and the software is totally what? No, Notepad++. Just I want to use that Notepad++. But how to download and how to install this Notepad++? Then with Notepad++, how we are going to prepare programs, how we are going to execute programs, that I want to show clearly, guys. Let us understand this clearly. Let me show the download and installation of this Notepad++. Then after that, once again, I will start that Notepad++. That means I will use that. Then after that, I will show how to prepare these applications also. Good. Let me uninstall it first. Control panel, uninstall a program, Notepad++. Yes, Notepad++ is available. Just I want to uninstall it. My custom settings I don't want to remove. That's okay, fine. Close. Right, so Notepad++ is removed. Previously, here we are able to have some icon. Here it is not available. Even that icon is also not available. Okay, fine. So now I want to download it. So I'll check it Google Notepad++. Download. So notepad-plus-plus.org is available. Open a new tab. Now again, Notepad++ current version 7.9.1 that we want to download. Okay, all versions are specified here. We can use anything, any version. Now let me click on this Notepad++ 7.9.1, or we can click on here. Else we can click on this. Right, here we are getting it. Notepad++. Now observe carefully. By default here we are able to get 32 bit, but I require 64 bit. Why? Because my operating system is what? 64 bit. So now what we required, installer I required, guys. I don't require the zip file, I don't require any other one, just installer. .exe file I required. Click on this installer. Now it's going to be installed. Now it's going to be downloaded. Notepad++ 7.9.1 installer. .exe file 3.9 MB. Yes, it's going to be downloaded. Just wait for the moment. Right, sir. Almost all completing. Yeah, that key will work out with edit plus 4. Guys, whatever the key I shared there in the last class, no, that will be worked out for edit plus 4, not with the 5, I think so. Yeah, you can use Sartha Kumar, we can use that. Right. Right click on it and just let me cut it. I want to keep all my softwares at a particular location. Notepad++. I think so. It's already existed with me. No, not available. This is newer one. So here setup file here we provided. Just I want to double click on it. Click on S. English. Click on next. Yes, I agree. Right, sir. Where it is going to be installed actually under program files. I don't like to install anything under this program files. That's why I want to use C:/notepad++. Click on next. Click on next again. Create shortcut on desktop. Yes, I require that. Click on this install. Installed. Right. Click on finish. Complete it. This is like what I'm telling to you, installation process. Complete it. Notepad++ is created here. We can observe this clearly. Notepad++ is created here. Just I want to open it. Double click on it. When I double click on it, now here we are getting like what now? By default, new file here we are getting. Now my requirement is just close it again, and if we double click on it, file is created with the newer one. New one. Here we are getting it now. All of you guys observe carefully. Right, sir. Then this is the way to open Notepad++, and here we can open like what now? Some file. Which file it is now we don't know. Right. Then after this one, what I'm telling to you, I want to prepare a program. I want to save this file. I want to compile and execute this program through this one. Now observe carefully. When we open this file, whenever we are getting new, then immediately click on save as. File save as. Now we can save it. D drive, insert this D drive, Java 11, where take double quotation test.java. We can save this. Capital T test.java. We can save like this. Now this is acting as Java file now. Why? Because file name is test.java. Now here what we have to provide there, font size is very small. We can increase the font size. How we are going to increase this font size? No, just click on control and move your mouse pointer, that means mouse wheel. Move mouse wheel, automatically that font size is going to be increased here. Mouse wheel if we provide, automatically here we are able to get max font size. Right sir. Now here I want to take like what now, directly I want to take like class test. Inside this class test, what I will do now, main method here I want to provide public static void main. Then here I want to provide string array args. Now inside this I have to provide like what no, inside this I need to display just I want to provide some information. System out println of welcome to Durgasoft. Like this I provided, yes, some data will be provided. That's okay. The file is completed. I created this file and I saved this file also with test.java. Leave this one. Then after that, where I saved it now D Java 11. I want to compile this program and I want to execute program. Open command prompt. Go to the location d:/cd Java 11. Where compile program Java C space test.java. Compiled successfully. Java space test. No problem. Java C space test.java. Java space test. Now here we are getting it. Forget about this one. Now here, just batch file I created. Java 8 version I specified here batch file now. Java C space test.java that we are getting Java space test. And Java 8 version I executed this program. Welcome to Durgasoft. That output here we are getting. That's it, guys. Now this is the way we are able to get our output here. That's okay, fine. Leave this one. But here my intention is what now? Not to execute the program. My intention is how to prepare the program here. Now, whenever we open this editor like this, we can provide some setups also. We can provide some setups also, no, but then I require some other setups, no. Later on I will provide the setup, but as of now, we can understand how we are going to open, how it is possible to open this Notepad++, how to install Notepad++, how to download it, how to install it, and how to open it, how to write Java programs inside this Notepad++. Right, sir. This is the way to write this program. This is the very first program here we can understand now. How to check whether Notepad++ is installed or not? Just in the search or system search, just we can type Notepad. There we are able to get Notepad++. Here we are able to get it. This is one thing. Or else to check that one, go for this control panel directly. Go to the control panel. In the list of softwares, installed softwares, if you want to know, then there we can check it. Notepad++ is exist or not. Understand this one. Or else that installation location would be like what no, directly a C drive. In C drive Notepad++ I installed, so folder is created. If it might be if we installed it, no, there we have to check like what no, go for this program files, no, there we can check for this Notepad++. Definitely folder has to be created. Then only we can understand Notepad++ is installed clearly. That's it. They are the approaches now. In general, not only for Notepad++, for any software. For any software, we are able to do like this only. Right, sir. Leave this one. So this is what exactly the program here we provided. Guys, all of you observe carefully. I want to understand one point here. What is that point here I want to provide there? Let me open 1 minute, wait, and Java 11. One minute, guys, and total setups are changed here. Guys, just wait a bit of time. Let me provide my custom setups now. Okay, fine. 1 minute, yes. Even it may be useful even for you also. Okay, fine. Right, sir. Fine. Now let's come for this one. Then what I'm telling to you apart from this content, guys, this is completed. Now observe carefully. I want to provide each and every intersection in the first application. This is our first application. Inside this first application, what is what? Minimum information here we have to understand. Say for example, if you want to prepare first application, here what we have to do now, in first application, minimum what we require. In first application, main class here we require. Second one, main method is required. Inside this main method, we can write some application logic. What we want to provide there through system.out printer and maybe anything here. We can do that. Right, sir. Application logic that we have to provide in main method. Right. The other things here we have to understand. That's okay, fine. Now, main class, main method, and application logic here we require. Okay, that's okay, fine. That we are able to do, no? Right, now the same thing here I've written inside this class test, public static void main string array args, sysna.println of welcome to Durgasoft. This data here we have written. But what is this data? What is what? At least here we have to understand it now. First of all, what is this class actually? Class is a keyword. What is this test term? Test is like what now? User defined class. Right, so test is user defined class. Public and static are what? Public and static are access modifiers. Void is what? Return type. Void is return type. Main. What is this main actually? Main is like what now? Method name. Main method name. String is what? String is a predefined class. Right, sir. Args is user defined variable. Args is user defined variable. System.out.println statement. What is the system actually? System in the sense like what no? Then system is predefined class. Next one is it. Out. Out is like what a predefined reference variable. Predefined reference variable. Println is a predefined method. Welcome to Durgasoft. This is text data, string data or text data. That's it. These are the things about each and every one. That's it. Each and every one. Define class means what we can say no, just we can declare like this class a test. And that way we can prepare a class. Susmita ma'am. Susmita ma'am. Just we can declare a class in a sense, we can do this class student or class employee like this. In this way only we are going to prepare that classes. We can declare that. So this is each and every part of our class. But about all these things we are going to understand one by one in the future. Not immediately, just have given names I have introduced. Access modifiers and keywords and user defined class, return types and all. Each and every one here I provide at present. But in the future we are going to understand each and every one clearly. Right. Let me save this and D drive, insert this D drive Java 11. Right, so first application. Right. Next one is then whenever we completed this one, after preparing this first program, download and here this step is also be completed, sir. Open Java editor and write Java program. That part also here we completed. How to open editor and how to write first program, that all the things here we provided. In first application, these many things here we required. Okay, good. Next one is then after that, step number 4 is what? Save Java file. Step number 4 is save Java file. How to save this Java file, guys? How we are able to save these Java files? What is the process to save Java files? Right, sir. To save Java files, right, after writing the program, definitely we have to save the Java file. For compilation purpose, maybe for execution purpose, maybe definitely we have to save Java file. But to save Java files, we have to follow a set of rules and regulations. To save Java files, we have to provide a set of rules and regulations. Okay. What exactly the rules and regulations here we are able to follow? Rule number 1. Rule number 1. In the present Java file, In the present Java file, if you have any public class or public abstract class, in the present Java file, if you have any public class or public abstract class or public interface or public enum, all these are programming elements. Classes, abstract classes, interfaces, and enums we are going to write in the future. But if you have any public class or public abstract class or public interface or public enum, there we must save Java file. We must save present Java file with a public element name only. With a public element name only. We must save present Java file with a public element name only. Observe carefully. If no public element is existed, that means no public class, no public abstract class, no public interface, no public enum. So no public element is existed. Then it is possible to save Java file with any name, like abc.java or xyz.java and so on. But it is suggestible to save Java file, with main class name instead of using any other name. That's it. We have to understand clearly. Save Java file that we are understanding. Just directly the point here I am telling you, the rule and regulation here I am providing to you directly. You can remove this anyway. You can understand it directly. In the present Java file, if you have any public class or public abstract class or public interface or public enum, then we must save present Java file with the public element name only. That's it. Java file in the sense written program. Yeah, editor. In the editor here we have taken a file new. Here we are getting a file. Now this is a file. So this we are saving. While saving this here we are talking about this all these calculations. Right, sir. So in the present Java file, if you have any public class or public abstract class or public interface or public enum, then we must save present Java file with the public element name only. If no public element is existed, then it is possible to save Java file with any name like abc.java or xyz.java, but it is suggestible to save Java file with a main class name instead of using any other name. This is the rule, sir. Now I want to prove all these points, guys. I want to prove these points. Now try to observe carefully. Now just I want to remove this file new I have taken. Inside this program, first of all, before saving this file, now let me write the program. Now just I want to take like what, no, class tester. Inside this class tester, public static void main string array args. Now inside this, then what I am going to provide now, stress not output println of some message here we are providing. Welcome to Durgasoft. Welcome to Durgasoft here we provided. Guys, now after this clearly, have you provided any public element, maybe class or abstract class or interface or enum? Out of this, only one class I have written. Is the class is public or not? No. The class is not public. Whenever this class is not public, then we can save the Java file with any name. So now let me save the Java file with d:// Java 11. Let me save the Java file with abc.java. abc.java. Click on this. Now come on guys, now tell me what is my file name actually? With which name I saved this file? Please check it. There I given that I'm pointing that file name also. With which name we saved the Java file? People are writing test now. No, what is the file name here I provided? abc.java. That's it. abc.java I provided. Guys, observe this clearly. Do you have any public element? No, no public element. So abc.java is my file name. So open command prompt. In command prompt, go to the location D drive cd space. Then what next one here we have to do now? Java 11. Java C space abc.java. For compilation, we have to write file name.java. For compilation here, we have to write file name.java. But for execution purpose, we have to write main method class name. For compilation point of view, we have to write file name. But for execution point of view, we have to write like what? No, class name. Why I'm going to D drive actually? Guys, now, first of all, tell me where we saved our file. Yes, Mamta ma'am, where I saved my file. Anyway, then open the command prompt, go to the location where we saved our Java file. So that's why here we have to go for D drive. In D drive also Java 11. There we can use Java C space abc.java. abc.java. This is a command for what? This is a command for compilation of our program. We are compiling our program along with the Java C command. File name.java we have to write. That's why we have written abc.java. abc.java is for what purpose? No, is abc.java is our file name. Java C stands for like what now? Java C is a command for compilation of our program. Click on enter button. If any error is identified, then we are able to get the error message. Here we are getting an error. So what we are getting that error no star we provided. So here star is included. Star we provided. So again I have to compile it. Again we have to compile this. Still, if you are getting any error, it able to show that no error is identified in my program. Java C space abc.java. No error is identified. Now I want to run my program. Along with the Java command, to run this program, we have to use Java command. But along with the Java command, we have to provide main class name. Along with the Java command, we have to provide main class name. Java space test. Java space test. Main class name. Here we are able to provide Java space test. Again the same problem. Compiled successfully. Java space. Sorry. Yeah, now here we are getting some output. Okay. Welcome to Durgasoft. That output here we are getting. Alright, so now along with the Java C command, we have to provide file name.java. Along with the Java command, we have to write main class name. So we are getting output. Right, sir. For example. Now ABC is related to this class test now. Guys, now tell me, is that ABC is related to any of element in our program? Is ABC is the related name or irrelated name completely? abc.java is a related name or irrelated name? Any matching is available with any element inside our program? No, ABC is totally irrelated. When it is irrelated, it is not suggestible to use that. So it is suggestible to provide main class name instead of saving the Java file with any other name. Instead of saving Java file with any other name, it is suggestible to save the Java file with a main class name. That suggestion here I want to follow. Now again here what we have to do, save as. Now it is tester.java, abc.java. Instead of this abc.java, here I want to provide like what, not tester.java. It's already existed, we want to replace. Yes, replace. Now it is tester.java. Then here what I will do now, Java C space tester.java. Compiled successfully, Java space tester. We can observe this clearly. For compilation, we are using test.java, and for execution also we are using tester. So here we are able to get like our what no output we are getting. What is this output here we are getting there? No, welcome to Durgasoft. That output here we are getting. So this is one point. So initially I saved with abc.java, but abc.java is totally different name. It's not related name. That's why I saved this Java file with the main class name .java that we provide. Satyakumar, first of all, tell me, is it possible to provide more than one tester.java file at the same location? Is it possible to provide more than one file with the same name? No. So where's the chance to get confusion? Okay. No chances to get confusion. Right, sir. So here we provided this. Guys, for example, now I'm telling to you, all of you have to carefully. For example, now tell me guys, first of all, tell me, yes, Mamata, then what you're asking, so we can save with any name when we don't have public modifier, but to run, we have to use main class name. For compilation, saved file name. Exactly. Exactly, Mamata. Always remember this. For compilation purpose, we have to use file name. For execution purpose, we have to use main class name. So main class name and main method name, that means main class name and file name may be same, may not be same. Understand it? Yes, right. Your thought is right. Guys, all of you have to this clearly. Can you tell me what is our file name, guys? What exactly our file name? Now tell me. Come on, all of you respond for me. Our present file name is what? Please check it. Is our present file name is abc.java or test.java? Our present file name is abc.java or test.java? Test.java, not abc.java. Okay, good. All right, sir. Now, for example, what I will do now, public class A. Public class A, I provided. Now tell me, which class is public in our present Java file now? Which class is public in our present Java file? Class A is public. As per the rule, if any class is public, then file name must be public class name dot Java. If any class is public, then file name should be saved with the same public class name or not. That's the condition. Actual condition is that. But our present file name is what? Tester.java. But class A is public. If I compile this, definitely we are able to get compilation error. If I compile this program, definitely we are able to get compilation error. Java C space tester.java. Here we are getting an error. Please read this error now. Here itself our solution is available. Class A is public, should be declared in a file named a.java. Class A is public, should be declared in a file named a.java. Okay, that we have to provide. So indirectly it is saying that in the file a.java only we have to write this public class A. But we have written that in like what we have written that in test.java. But what I'm telling there, class A is public, so that file name should be saved with a.java. That's a condition. That's why here we are getting an error. Then immediately what I have to do now, my public class name is A, so what file name is test.java, but it is not matched. So we have to save our Java file with a.java. File save as a.java here we want to provide. A.java here we provide it. Now I want to compile this program. How can we compile this program, guys? Now tell me now. Java C space a.java. Okay, compilation will be success. But I want to execute program. Then what I have to do? To execute the program, here what we have to do? To execute the program, we have to provide Java space main method class name. In which class main method is available? Test class. So the test class name here we have to provide main method class name. Test. Now here we are getting welcome to Durgasoft output here we are getting. Good sir. Guys, now I'm asking one question to all of you. Now try to answer for my question. All of you answer for my question here. My question would be, is it possible to provide more than one public class in a single Java file? Is it possible to provide more than one public class in a single Java file? Come on guys, just I'm giving 2 minutes of time to you. You have to think about it. Think and give answer. Is it possible to provide more than one public class in a single Java file or not? Think and give answer, guys. Right, sir. What is the answer now? Is it possible to provide more than one public class in a single Java file? No. Answer is no. Why no, sir? Why it is not possible? No, it is not possible to save Java file. Sorry, it is not possible to provide it is not possible to declare more than one public class. It is not possible to it is not possible to provide more than one public class in a single Java file. Why? Because why? Because why? Because why? Because if we declare, if we provide, if we declare more than one public class, more than one public class in a single Java file, then we must save that Java file with more than one name. We must save the Java file with more than one name. It is not possible. It is not possible in all the operating systems. Single file is not possible to save with more than one name. That's you have to understand it clearly. Now it is not possible to provide more than one public class in a single Java file. Why? Because if we declare more than one public class in a single Java file, then we must save that Java file with more than one name. It is not possible in all the operating systems. That's the reason why not possible to declare more than one public class in a single Java file. Okay, fine. Observe carefully. Guys, now tell me, what is my present Java file? What is my present Java file name? Come on, you can see that at the top. What is the current Java file name? A.java. Right, sir. The file name is A.java. For example, public class B. Public class B. Tell me guys, how many classes are public? How many classes are public? Two classes are public. Let me check this. What is going on here? File name is A.java. Java C space A.java. Class B is public, should be declared in a file named B.java. Class B is a public, should be declared in a file named B.java. That's an error here we are getting. So as per this compiler suggestion, I want to save my file with B.java. B.java. My current file name is what, sir? Now tell me. My current file name is what? What is my current file name? Is that A.java or B.java? B.java. Now let me compile and execute this. B.java. We have to provide B.java. Right. So now it is asking class A is a public, should be declared in a file named as A.java. Then what is going on here? When I save with A.java, it is saying that try to save with B.java. When I save with B.java, then it is asking to me try to save with A.java. Understand my point here? When I save with A.java, it is asking try to save with B.java. When I save B.java, then compiler is saying that try to save with A.java. So what is the conclusion here? What is the conclusion? Conclusion is what? At a time, only one file. That means at a time, only one public class is possible in a single Java file. At most one public class is possible in a single Java file. More than one public class are not possible in a single Java file. That's it, guys. Now, this is the total awareness on. Like what? No, how to save Java files. How to save Java files that we understood clearly. Next one. After understanding that how to save Java files, no. Next part will be compile Java file part. Compile Java file part is existed, guys. So it may take some time, guys. Then I will discuss this topic on tomorrow. I record hardly half an hour to 45 minutes of continuous flow. I have to explain that. So I record some time. Maybe tomorrow we'll continue the report the compile Java file part here. Tomorrow we'll see the remaining content. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on tomorrow for the remaining content. Compile Java file and execute Java application. Only these two things are available. If these two things are completed, then I will start language fundamentals, another part. Fine. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on tomorrow. Samir, I will share these notes through Google Classroom app. I'll share it. Once members are finalized, then I will share these notes.